Hello! Welcome to my baritone ukulele Christmas play-along. If you're looking for a standard tuning, maybe for a concert soprano or tenor ukulele, I have one of those too. But you're welcome to stay here. I'm just going to be using different chord shapes, but if you know the chords, go for it. Most of the strumming patterns we're going to be doing, or that I'm going to be doing, are down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. You can do whatever strumming pattern you want. I will never know. You can also go like this, if you're just wanting to get the chords at the right time. I'm going to go a little faster here, and let's get started. 1, 2, ready, go. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. See the blazing Yule before us, fa la 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 la. Strike the uke and join the chorus, fa la 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 la. Follow me in merry measure, fa la 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 la. While I tell of Yuletide treasure, fa la 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 la. Most of these are in G. This one I had to keep in C. And it's also in 3. Rhymes. So I'm going to go down, down, up, down. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, you fill all hearts with gaiety. Oh, Christmas tree, you fill all hearts with gaiety. On Christmas Day you stand so tall, affording joy to one and all. Oh, Christmas tree, you fill all hearts with gaiety. And somehow we're gonna have to get to G for this one. I just did a D7 to G there. City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, dressed in holiday style. In the air, there's a feeling of Christmas. Children laughing, people passing, meeting smile after smile. your paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus, down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who would it go? Ho, 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 who would it go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Here we go for Rudolph. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Making a leap now, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight! Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! And this one, I just had to do in C. Here we go. On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me two turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me three orange hens, two turtle thank you for playing with me today. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday. Yeah, that's it. Stay mindful, stay musical, stay at treble.